my YouTube channel. I am Arfan Sheikh and today we are going to discuss about ordered pair, Cartesian product and computer representation of sets. So firstly we will talk about ordered pairs. Ordered pairs are fundamental concepts in mathematics used to represent points on coordinate plane. They consist of two numbers typically denoted by x, y that is defined in a specific location in a two-dimensional plane. You can see that. And now we will talk about the representing sets using ordered pairs. Firstly, we have discrete sets. In that we have a set can be represented by a collection of ordered pairs where each pair corresponds to an element in the set. Secondly, we will talk about the continuous set. In that we have regions or areas on the coordinate plane that can be represented using ordered pairs forming a continuous set. And the last we have the graphic set. In that we plot the ordered pairs of a set on a coordinate plane which allows for visual representation and analysis of the set. Now we will talk about Cartesian product. The Cartesian product of two sets A and B is a set of all ordered pairs of A cross B, where A is the element of A and B is the element of B. And the notation of representing Cartesian product is A cross B for having a set A and a set B. In visualization, the Cartesian product can be visualized as a rectangular grid where each point represents an ordered pair from the two sets. Now we will talk about the properties of Cartesian product. Firstly, we have the commutative property. In commutative property, if we have a set A and set B, then A cross B will be equal to B cross A. Secondly, we have associative property. In associative property, if we have three sets A, B and C, then A cross B whole cross C is equal to A cross whole B cross C. Thirdly, we have the cardinality. Cardinality is the number of elements in the Cartesian product of A and B is the product of the number of elements in set A and set B. Now we will talk about the computer representation of sets. In computer representation, we have said that the arrays, the set data structures and the database tables. Firstly, we will talk about the arrays. In arrays, we have sets that can be represented as arrays on list in computer programming, with each element stored as an item in the array. Second, we have the set data structures. Many programming languages have built-in set data structures like Java, C++, etc., which allows for efficient storage and manipulation of set elements. Thirdly, we have the database table. In database table, we have the database system. Sets can be represented in tables with each row corresponding to an element in the set. Thirdly, we have the applications of computer representation of set. That is, first is graphing, which include the ordered pairs are essential for graphing functions, curves, and other mathematical objects on a coordinate plane. Second, we have the location, where the ordered pairs are used to represent and describe the locations of points, objects, and events in two-dimensional space. Thirdly, we have the databases, where we have ordered pairs used to store and retrieve data in database systems such as spatial data or coordinates.